Ever wondered what fruits you can grow in your small urban garden? The limitations of space don't necessarily limit the possibilities of cultivation. Imagine fresh, juicy fruits right at your fingertips. Well, wonder no more. We've got the top 7 fruits that are perfect for small urban gardens. Starting with number 7, strawberries are a great choice. They're compact, easy to grow, and nothing beats the taste of homegrown strawberries. Moving on to number 6, tomatoes are not just versatile in the kitchen, they also thrive in small spaces. Just ensure they get plenty of sun and water. And at number 5, we have herbs. From basil to thyme, they're a delight to grow. Their aroma can transform not just your dishes but your entire garden. Moving on to our next set of fruits that are perfect for your urban garden. At number 4, we have the versatile fig. Figs are perfect for small spaces and they love sunny spots. They're rich in fiber and nutrients, making them a healthy addition to your garden. Next up, at number 5, we have dwarf apple trees. These little guys are not only adorable, but they can also bear full-sized fruit. Remember, they do need a good amount of sunlight. Also, it's important to prune them regularly to boost their productivity. Ready for our top 2 fruits to grow in your small urban garden? Let's dive in. Coming in at number 2, we have the ever-popular blueberries. These little powerhouses are not only packed with antioxidants, but also thrive in compact spaces. Just ensure they have acidic soil and plenty of sunlight. Finally, taking the top spot is the versatile dwarf citrus tree. These trees are perfect for small spaces, and with right care, they can provide you with a year-round supply of tangy delights. Remember, they love warm, sunny spots and well-drained soil. And that rounds up our list of top 7 fruits to grow in your small urban garden. Now you have the knowledge to transform your small urban space into a fruitful garden. From strawberries to lemons, these 7 fruits prove urban gardening's potential. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!